Hello, boys and girls. We are starting second grade math on Tuesday, March 31st. Mrs. Klein. We are going to go over the homework from last night, which was additional practice, pages 189 and 190, two-dimensional shapes. So, additional practice 13.1. I want to make sure everyone understands. The two-dimensional shapes. Let's go over the shapes again. Triangle is 3 sides. Quadrilateral is 4 sides. Hexagon is 5 sides. Pentagon is 5 sides. Hexagon is 6 sides. So let's see. Why can't I put my face on here? So we're gonna go over homework. Go over homework, additional practice, 13-1, pages 189 and 190. Okay. So I have a meeting chat open on the page, so you can type in questions if you need. All right. I don't know why I can't keep my. Show device settings, exit full screen, keypad, turn on incoming video, show device settings. No. Okay. Show meeting notes. Okay. I'm not gonna stop touching buttons. Keypad. Show design settings. Hide meeting notes. How do I get back my chat? I lost my chat. Show conversation, here we go. Okay, so, page 189, unit 13, lesson 1. All right, everyone has it in front of them, right? So, number 1, on the top of the page, another look, you can name shapes by their number of sides and vertices. Remember vertex, vertices, that's the corner, the point. So a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. And a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. That's what it says on the top of page 189. So look at the pictures. Number 1, name each shape. Write the number of sides and vertices. Number 1 is a triangle. Where's my picture? Okay. Can you see that? Why do I keep losing myself? Yes.
Which page is it?
Rebecca, I said it 10 times. Come on. Wake up, Missy. Page 189 is your additional practice. You have it. You should have printed it out from the curriculum. It's not in your textbook. Remember the homework is in the curriculum under classes. You go down to the unit 13, and then you find where it says additional practice. That's your homework sheet. All right, so take out a blank piece of paper, and we're going to draw a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. So number 1, take a piece of paper if you don't have it, and draw this. Number 1 Can you see this?
Yeah.
All right, so
I didn't use.
did you lose me now?
Is that there is okay, yeah.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a triangle because it has 3 sides.
There's like a board in my screen.
I know. Let's get out of the board.
And you're tiny. I can't see you in the bottom.
I know, I don't know how to fix it. Now, let's try to get out of my screen here. Oh, here I go. Oh, there I go. All right, so now there's the whiteboard, and how do I get my face up? Let's see.
You can only put it down. Everybody's down.
Okay,
We'll give you this mouse.
all right. So yeah, I'm on the bottom. I have a whiteboard on the top so I can write on there. So this is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay, Rebecca, turn off your microphone.
Okay.
Number 2. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Number 2, the shape is like this. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Count up the sides, right? Number 2 has 6 sides. What shape is it? 6 sides. Right in the shape. It is a hexagon. Hexagon, Hexagon. It has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Number 3 has, count up the sides. No, number 3 has 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3 has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a, write it in, quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. Okay. Number 4, the next page, page 190. If you don't know, guys, you have to go into the curriculum, Math Pearson, the info I gave you, log on, go into your class, and you can find all of the textbook and homework and everything is in there. All right, so page 190, number 4 says algebra. Leona drew 2 pentagons. So she drew how many vertices? How many vertices did she draw if she drew 2 pentagons? A pentagon, as we know, looks like this. Has 5 sides. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 vertices. See the 5 sides and the 5 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The dots are the vertices, and she's got 5 sides and 5 vertices. So if she has drew 2 pentagons, how many vertices does she have? 5 plus 5. So the answer is 10. 10 vertices. Number 5. Algebra. Nestor drew 3 quadrilaterals. He drew 3 quadrilaterals. Starts with a Q. Quadrilateral. Quad means 4. The abbreviation quad means 4. So, he drew, this is number 5, sorry. Number 5 on page 190. Nestor drew 3 quadrilaterals. So he drew 1, 2, 3. What?
We can't get out of the whiteboard.
It's okay, just look at me on the bottom. I have my whiteboard open. It's okay, just look at the picture of me on the bottom.
You could just click Miss Klein's like the Klein's thing and then
I'm doing a YouTube video also that you can look at the link. I'm going to email you the link for the YouTube video. So this is 3 quadrilaterals. These are 3 polygons with 4 sides each. So, guys, you gotta turn off your microphones because I hear static. He drew, how many sides does he have? He's got 4 sides, 4 sides, 4 sides. How many sides does he have altogether? In all? 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many? Rebecca?
wow.
Emily?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you doing the math homework with us?
Yeah.
All right, what's the answer?
12.
What's the answer to number 5? 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals how many sides? 12 sides.
12.
Thank you. Okay, you're welcome. Turn off your, Emily, turn off your microphone. Okay? Oh, now I lost my picture. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, let's continue on. So I started touching buttons and I messed stuff up. Okay, number 6, algebra. Kip drew a hexagon and a triangle. He drew 9 vertices. Number 6, he drew a hexagon and a triangle. Emily, please turn off your microphone. Oh, she did. Who's on? Whoever's on, you got to turn off your microphone. Okay, so number 6, you can answer me on the chat. You can put your answers in the chat. So on number 6, a hexagon is 6 sides and a triangle is 3 sides. So how many sides in total? 6 sides and 3 sides. How many sides in total? You can type your answer in the chat. My answer is 9 sides. So number 6 is 9 sides. All right, guys, we got to go faster. Because we only have until 9:15. Number 7, model. Draw 2 hexagons that look different from the one shown. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to draw 2 hexagons. Hexagon has 6 sides. You're going to draw 2 figures that have 6 sides each. Number 8, draw 2 quadrilaterals that look different from the one shown. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. Number 9, Tammy traced the flat side of his block. What shape did she draw? Name and draw the shape. Tammy traced the flat sides. Okay, let's skip number 9 for now. Number 10, Jin drew 2 shapes. One of the shapes is shown below. He drew a pentagon. If Jin drew 9 sides and 9 vertices in all, which other shape did he draw? So you have to equal 9 sides. There are 4 sides. He drew 4 sides here, and it has to equal 9 sides. So he has to draw a figure with 5 sides to equal the 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. So D, pentagon. So this was the math homework. Now we are continuing on. You guys are going to send me your math homework later. We're going to continue on now to lesson 13-2, and it says polygons and angles. So I can describe plane shapes by how they look. These are called plane shapes. Lesson 13-2, page 565. These are called plane shapes. They are all polygons. And we're going to look at which polygon they are. I can describe plane shapes by how they look. You know why? Because we're going to count up the sides, and then the number of sides will tell us what the shape is by how many sides. So we know the triangle is 3 sides, the quadrilateral is 4 sides, the pentagon is 5 sides, and the hexagon is 6 sides. And in the points, in the corners are vertices, the vertex, and then on the inside of the point is called the angle. What angle is it at? Is it at a 90-degree angle? What angle? So we're going to talk about plane shapes, polygons, and angles. Plane shapes, polygons, and angles. So, page 565 says, look at the 3 plane shapes below. Here, how are they alike? How are they different? Measure the length of the sides to help describe them. Name each shape. So, page 565, look at the 3 plane shapes below. How are they alike? How are they different? Well, let's look at the shapes. They all have how many sides? Count up the sides. They all have 4 sides. So that's how they are the same. How are they different? Well, this is the interesting part. How are they different? Because they have different angles. The lengths of their sides are different. The lengths of their sides are different. So therefore, it causes different angles. So they're alike because they have 4 sides. They all have 4 sides, but the length of the sides are different, and that causes them to have a different angle. So, any closed plane shape with 4 straight sides is a quadrilateral. No matter how you draw it, any closed plane shape that has 4 sides is a quadrilateral. Any way that you draw it. Turn the page. Okay, page 566. The top of the page. Everyone have the top of page 566. It says a polygon. Polygon. A closed plane shape with 3 or more sides is called a polygon. See my word polygon? There we go. So, a polygon, on the top of your page, a closed plane shape with 3 or more sides is called a polygon. These are not polygons. Polygons are not open shapes. If they have an opening in them anywhere, they are not a polygon. Polygons do not have curved shapes. So they are not curved and they're not open. It is a closed plane shape. It's a closed, flat, plane shape. An angle. Polygons have angles. You see how the little red line on the inside of the figure? That is the angle. And that angle can be a wide angle or a narrow angle. The angle opens and closes. Polygons have angles. The angle of the vertice, angle opens or closes. If the shape is this big or if the shape is this big, it's a different angle. Polygons have angles. They have the same number of angles as sides and vertices. So if they have 3 sides and 3 vertices, they have 3 angles. If they have 4 sides and 4 vertices, they have 4 angles. A right angle forms a square corner. A square has 4 right angles. The pentagon below has 3 right angles. So, a square has 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. Four sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. They will always have the same number. The pentagon below has 3 right angles. So a right angle forms as a square corner. If the corner does not come out to be a square, it's not a right angle. So the pentagon, as you can see on the top, the pentagon only has 3 right angles. Those other 2 angles are not squared, like this. Squared is like down, is like that. So let's look at number 1, guided practice. Write the number of angles and then name the shape. So number 1, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5 sides, I see 5 angles. Not right angles, but just 5 angles. So there's always going to be 5 sides, 5 vertices, and 5 angles. So number 1 is 5. The shape is a pentagon. Number 1 is pentagon. Angles, vertices, and sides. Okay, so number 1 on page 566 is 5 angles, and it is a pentagon. That's how you spell it. pentagon. I'll type it into the chat so you can see it. Number 1, page 566, number 1 is 5 angles, and the shape is a pentagon. Number 2, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So 5 sides, there are 5 angles. If there are 5 sides, and the shape is also a pentagon. See, your shapes can be named the same but look different. Number 3 says, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. 6, I see 6 angles. That means there's 6 sides and there's 6 vertices. And my shape is a hexagon. What did I do up here? Okay. Okay, so we gotta go a little faster. We're running out of time. Number 4. Number 4, I see 3 sides. That means there's 3 vertices, 3 angles, and my shape is a triangle. I'm going to be giving you a link to a video also if you need to go over this again. Turn the page. Page 567. Page 567. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, and the shape is a pentagon. Number 6. This is what we're doing. Number 6. 6. I see 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means I have 6 angles.
What did you put in the shape of number 5?
Number 5 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So it has 5 angles, and the shape is what? What? Number 5 is a pentagon. Number 6 is a hexagon. Number 6 is a hexagon. 6 sides. What? William, what?
What number are you on?
Page 567, number 5 is a pentagon. Pentagon. Noah, you gotta wait. Noah, you gotta wait. I'm not ready for you yet. Number 5 is a pentagon. Here. See, Rebecca? Number 5 is a hexagon. Number 6 has 6 sides. I'm sorry, number 5 is a pentagon. Number 6 has 6 sides, 6 angles. Therefore, it is a hexagon. Number 7, I see 4 sides. That means it has 4 angles. Is everyone with me? And it is a quadrilateral. Enter. Noah. 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 Wait till I invite you. Okay, so let's continue. Let me finish. Number 8. I lost my chat board now. Okay, show conversation. Where's my conversation? Okay, I'm back. Is everyone with me? Oh, I lost my math class now. Noah, hang up and wait till I invite you. Now I lost my class. Oh, you got put on hold. Rejoin. All right. I'm back.
Hi. Oh my God.
Hi, Rebecca.
Thanks goodness.
I'm back. All right. I had to answer a phone call and then I lost everybody. All right. Is everybody with me?
Yes.
All right. Let me get back into my chat screen.
Bye-bye.
All right. Ready? Well, let's go on. We were on number 8. Page 567. Number 8. 6 angles.
Which is the shape of number 7? Like what shape?
Number 7 has how many sides?
4.
So what shape is that? Yeah, Rebecca, what shape has 4 sides? Everyone repeat after me. 3 sides is a triangle. Number 4 sides is a quadrilateral. 5 sides is a pentagon. 6 sides is a hexagon. So 4 sides, Rebecca, is what?
My mom doesn't know how to write it either.
Rebecca, it's written in your book. It's written in your book on, go back to the beginning of the lesson.
Okay.
Or go back to lesson 13:1. You will find the word in the book. It starts with a Q. So look in your chat. In your chat it says number 6 hexagon, number 7 quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay.
Wait.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Rilateral.
Yes. It's the one that starts with the Q. Okay, let's go on so we can finish. And then you gotta go to English. So we are on page 567. Number Number 7 was quadrilateral. Number 8 was hexagon. I'm up to number 9. I see 4 angles. What shape has 4 angles? Look, Rebecca? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Yes, I know it's hard to say. Quadrilateral. So number 9 is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Ah! Number 10. I see 5 angles. What shape has 5 angles? William. William, what shape has 5 angles? William, what shape has 5 angles? Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. 5 angles is a pentagon. We did it in number 1. This is number 10. 5 angles is a pentagon. All right, the other math kids are calling me. Number 11, draw a polygon with 2 right angles and 2 angles that are not right angles. That's my phone. Oh, I can answer her on here. Josiah. What? Give me 2 minutes, okay? All right, guys, let's just finish this up. These are all angles. I want you all to study the angles. Triangle. I want everyone to draw me a triangle for homework, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, a hexagon. Everyone draw me those picture of those shapes. I want to see your pictures. And then we have to finish going over page 568. Number 12, which plane shapes are sewn together in the soccer ball? Oh, that's a good one. Look at the soccer ball. What shapes are on there? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. Wow. Oh, look at that soccer ball and find me a 5 and a 6-sided shape. Number 13. Oh, look at those shapes. That's cool. Name the shape. Name the shape that you see in those honeycombs. Number 4, we'll go over this tomorrow. Number 14, draw a polygon shape that has 7 angles. Wow. And number 15, name the shape of the sign below. Name the shape of the side below. Okay, we will go over this again tomorrow. Actually, you know what? You guys finish this. This is going to be your homework. Finish this and do the additional practice and then send it to me. Okay? So I want you to draw all the shapes. This is your homework. Draw all the shapes and label them. And do send me page 556 and 567 and 568. Send me page 567 and 568. Scan that to me. And then your homework is additional practice pages 191 and 192. Okay, so you got 3 things for homework. 3 things for math homework, guys, okay? Draw me the shapes and label them. Finish this work and send it to me. And do your homework, additional practice, and send it to me. Okay, go to Miss Carrie, and I'm going to do first grade math now. Bye.